Bitcoin price fell after U.S. President Donald Trump signed an executive order creating a working body for researching and designing a national digital asset stockpile. On January 23rd, President Donald Trump signed an executive order creating a working group on digital asset markets tasked with finding ways to give the U.S. leadership in the crypto industry, along with evaluating the creation of a strategic national digital asset stockpile. While the executive order is a step forward for the crypto sector, it falls short of the National Strategic Bitcoin Reserve-specific executive order that BTC investors have been anxiously waiting for. Minutes after the executive order was signed, BTC responded by trending down, briefly falling to $102,220. This downside move pales in comparison to the exuberance seen in BTC price earlier in the day when U.S. Senator and Bitcoin advocate Cynthia Lummis posted on X that big things are coming, encouraging her followers to stay tuned for an announcement that many assumed would be a presidential executive order for the formation of a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Following Lummis' social post, Bitcoin abruptly rallied from $102,100 to $106,850 before the market realized that the senator was actually referring to her appointment as the chair of the Senate Banking Subcommittee on Digital Assets. The softening of the Bitcoin price is partially connected to market participants reading the fine print of the executive order and possibly realizing that a BTC-only national strategic reserve simply cannot be created in one day by the stroke of a pen. Specific language within the executive order says, the working group shall evaluate the potential creation and maintenance of a national digital asset stockpile and propose criteria for establishing such a stockpile, potentially derived from cryptocurrencies lawfully seized by the federal government through its law enforcement efforts. Despite the lack of an immediate bullish response to the crypto-specific executive order, thought leaders and major investors in the sector lauded the news as a paradigm shift toward Bitcoin mass adoption.